You ever open your phone just to check one thing, and suddenly it's been 40 minutes, you've scrolled past 19 memes, 3 people's vacations, your ex's cousin's wedding photos, and somehow you're watching a guy teach a raccoon how to swim? Yeah, that wasn't an accident. Social media isn't just an app. It's a brain trap designed by people who understand psychology better than most psychologists. And the wild part? You don't even feel it happening. Today, we're breaking down how social media controls your brain, using simple, hand-drawn sketches, so you can finally see the invisible strings pulling your attention. Trust me, once you understand this, you'll never scroll the same way again. Here's the first trick. Every app is designed to hijack your brain in the first 3 seconds. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Because if they don't catch you instantly, you're gone. And this is why. Videos autoplay, thumbnails scream at you with emotions, Reels loop forever. TikTok hits you with content before you even log in. Notifications pop up at perfect times. It's not randomness, it's science. Every app knows this. Attention is money. Losing your attention is losing money. So the first 3 seconds are basically a battle for your brain. And guess who usually wins? Not you. People throw the word dopamine around a lot, like it's some scary chemical controlling your life. But here's the simple version. Dopamine equals, this feels good, let's do it again. That's it. It's the brain's repeat this system. And social media figured out how to hit that dopamine button over and over and over without you noticing. Not in big explosions, in tiny micro hits. A like, a comment, a meme that makes you exhale, a cute dog, a notification you don't remember getting, a message bubble, a scroll, another scroll, and suddenly your thumb's on autopilot, chasing hits your brain thinks are harmless. If there's one design trick that changed the entire world, it's infinite scroll. Before this, everything online had pages. You read, you reached the bottom, your brain got a natural break. Apps hated that, so they removed the bottom, literally. Now your feed just keeps going. There's no end, no you're done. It's a bottomless pit wrapped in cute UI. Why does infinite scroll work so well? Because your brain loves maybe. Maybe the next post is interesting. Maybe the next reel is funnier. Maybe the next thing will give you that tiny dopamine hit. Maybe is powerful enough to keep you scrolling for 20 minutes without realizing. And social media knows it. Infinite scroll isn't a feature, it's bait. All right, now here's the part where social media really starts flexing its psychology degree. It uses something called variable rewards, which is basically the same system casinos use to keep people glued to slot machines. The idea is simple. Your brain loves surprises. Not good surprises, not bad surprises, just unexpected ones. So every time you scroll, your brain goes, okay, what's next? Is this one funny? Is this one juicy? Is this one boring? Do I care? And that tiny guessing game is enough to keep you hooked. Apps cycle your feed like this. Okay post, boring, post, boring, post, amazing post, another good one. The randomness keeps your brain chasing that high-quality dopamine hit, even if 70% of your feed is mid. And here's the crazy part. If apps gave you only good content, you'd get bored. If they gave you only bad content, you'd leave. But the mix, the maybe, yeah, your brain loves maybe. And that's exactly why you scroll way longer than you planned. Next, the part nobody likes talking about. You ever put your phone down and immediately feel like something's missing? Like you're forgetting to check something, like someone texted, like a notification is waiting. That feeling isn't random. That's your brain going through micro withdrawal. You've trained your brain to expect tiny dopamine hits every few minutes. When they stop, your brain doesn't go, "Oh, cool, peace and quiet." It goes, "What happened? Who texted? What did I miss? Why is it quiet?" Your brain doesn't want news. It wants comfort. This is why you open your phone even when nothing happened. It's not habit. It's your brain trying to fix the emotional discomfort caused by not checking. This is the part where social media stops being entertainment and starts becoming a reflex. All right, now let's look at the part that's honestly kind of genius and kind of scary. Because every tiny detail in these apps is engineered to keep you hooked. Nothing is accidental. Not the colors, not the buttons, not the sounds, not even the way things shake or pop. Let's break a few of them down. 1. Red notification bubbles. Red isn't random. Red means urgency. Red is danger. Red is, "You should check this," or "You're missing out." Apps use red on purpose because your brain is wired to react instantly. 2. Seen receipts. You open someone's message, and boom, they know you opened it. It creates pressure. Should I reply now? Will they think I'm ignoring them? Why did I even open this? Apps turned a private moment into social anxiety fuel. 3. Typing dots. Those 3 dots might be the most manipulative thing ever created. Someone's typing. Should I wait? What are they saying? They stopped typing. What does that mean? Your brain hates unresolved tension. Typing dots keep you locked in the app even when nothing's happening. 4. Autoplay. Autoplay is not convenience. It's a decision trap. Your brain doesn't get the time to choose. The next thing just appears. And by the time you realize, you're already 5 videos deep. Here's the good news. You don't have to delete your apps. You just have to break the automatic loops. And there are a few easy ways to do it. 1. Turn off non-essential notifications. Your brain calms down fast when it's not being buzzed every 5 minutes. 2. Move your distracting apps off your home screen. One extra swipe breaks the autopilot. 3. Set small time limits. Even 10 minutes makes you aware of how much you're scrolling. 4. Put your phone in another room while working. You won't believe how quiet your brain feels when it's not waiting for hits. None of this is about quitting. It's about control. All right, that's how social media controls your brain. Not with magic, not with luck, but with psychology, timing, and design working together in tiny ways that you barely notice. But once you understand the game, you start seeing the strings. You start noticing the moments that used to feel normal, and suddenly scrolling feels different. If you liked the way I explained this, simple sketches, no boring moments, please hit that subscribe button. Seriously, these videos take a long time to draw, and I want you here when we break down the next weird thing about the world. Comment what you want me to explain next. I'm reading every single one. Thanks for watching. And hey, maybe scroll a little less today. Your brain deserves that break.